guys, so I just wanted to do a quick intro because I realized I didn't do an intro for this video. So anyways, I just wanted to share this project with you guys as far as like drywall repair. This is my favorite project that we did at the office. I'm so proud of the work. So anyways, I just love making videos like this, so I hope you guys are like enjoying these videos as well. It's just to give you inspiration if you need to do some work at your house that you've been needing to do, or even office repairs or whatever the case may be, just to give you that inspiration, that motivation to get it done. That's what these videos are all about. And if you guys want instructions, like verbal instructions, because this video doesn't really give you verbal instructions on how to do the drywall, if you are a visual learner, this video will be perfect for you. But if you want some verbal instructions, we did do drywall already, a smaller job, and I will link that video at the end of this video. The only step that I forgot to add to the video was the texture of the wall. We just spray the texture and that's it. But all of that would be in the previous video that we already did. You'll see how we did all of that. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I come through with a video, you know that I'm here. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.
You cut this like this. And the reason we're cutting it so we don't tear the wall up when we pull the board off. Okay. Cut the caulking loose, be less to repair later. Because if we don't cut it, it's going to peel the wall all the way back. And we're really going to see what we got to do when we get this off, because I have no clue how this is going to look in the end until we get it loose. How much work it's going to be. Okay, now you got to take screws out.
Okay. Keep going?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Alright, the next one, oops.
Hold that drill straight, lower it down some. There you go. See how much better that was? Use the drill to take it out. All the way out.
Okay.
The wire snips. We will. We have to.
got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. You can meet at yours next time. And you feel it fresh and new. Lose control. You don't wanna go slow. Sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it. You know places, 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 my place, just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do.
What is this called?
It's called wet sanding.
Now, why do you wet sand?
So you don't have to sand it, hand sand it.
It keeps down all the dust. And if you do it like this, there's no dust involved. Just makes for a cleaner job and a smoother finish.
It reminds me of wax on, wax off.
Karate Kid. That looks really good.
Thank you. Wait, sorry, just like
You're so good at that.
Is covered. Because women can do drywall too.
That's good stuff.
Got those corners looking clean. Chris did not want me to record the corners, but he did an amazing job with the corners. He said the way we did it is not the right way, so he didn't want to record it, but we put tape on each side of the corners and it looks amazing. Can't even tell.
What kind of tape?
Mesh tape on each side.
But you were supposed to put what?
Corner tape.
And what's the difference?
The corner tape won't crack.
It's paper.
The paper tape?
So yeah, it's 45 paper tape. And the mesh tape is made out of mesh.
Okay. So the paper tape is for the corners and it's supposed to help it from not cracking. And the sharper corner. But he did a really good job though with what we had. Look at that corner. Okay. I'm impressed. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. This looks so good. So good. So good. Can't even tell anything was there.
Why am I sanding?
So that way it's nice and flat, right?
Somebody rushed me out of here fast the other day.
No, I didn't. I can see the dust. Woo! Somebody got respiratory problems to be doing this. There you go. I can literally see all the dust. This room have been the best drywall repair I have ever seen with my own eyes. Do you remember what was there before? You can't even see what was there before. Look at the bottom corner and look at the corner of the wall. This is so gorgeous. Yeah, it's just a wall, but oh my goodness, I just love the work that was done here. Something so simple that makes me so happy. I am so happy with the outcome of this wall. Just love it. Wow. That's all I can say is wow.